Welcome everyone. In this course, we are going to learn financial function in Excel and their use in day-to-day life. We are going to build the Excel model based on the financial functions. These spreadsheets are available as downloads to this course. You can download and modify these spreadsheets according to your situation to calculate your scenario. We are going to learn following function: payment, interest payment, principal payment, cumulative interest payments, cumulative principal payments, and internal rate of return. After learning these financial functions, we are going to use and apply these functions to calculate day-to-day life scenarios. For example, calculate loan EMI, calculate refinancing and cash out refinancing, loan points and recovery period, consolidation of loans, amortization schedule of loans, interest rate calculation. Hope you will be able to make educated financial decisions about various loans after the course.